Alright guys, so we are talking about snapshots as what are snapshots and how it can be beneficial for us. So let's take a scenario here that today you have created a file system, you have attached a disk, and then you created a file system, and there is a requirement that you need to change the disk type. You don't like GP2 and you have to upgrade it to provisioned IOPS disk. Or the next requirement could be the 5 GB disk size is fully consumed now. The entire space is fully consumed, and you now have to extend it, and you didn't use the tools like LVM. So how will you do it? And there is one more scenario, like you have a DR site, or let's say you have put your data in development servers, and the same needs to be replicated to the production servers, and the servers are in different region. So how will you do it? So one of the best options is you can create a snapshot of the EBS volume, and then using that snapshot you can upgrade your volume type. You can also upgrade the size of the volume. You can also create more volumes from that snapshot in a different region once you copy the snapshot to a different region, right? So snapshots are very beneficial. So let's see how to create a snapshot. So I'm selecting this 5 GB disk, and I'll go to actions, and there should be an option. Here it is, create snapshot. Just mention a size, like mention a name like this, 5 GB snapshot. Key pair, if you want, you can add a key tag there. Name 5 GB. Today is 8 July. Alright, create snapshot. Snapshot is created. So you have got the snapshot created. Go to the snapshots tab there, and here we go. So we have this snapshot available with us. Now what you can do is, using this snapshot you can create more volumes. So let's do it. So I selected the snapshot and create volume. So now at this point of time you can choose, like earlier it was GP2, so suppose I want to go with provisioned IOPS, then you can select it. Or let's say I want to increase the size from 5 GB to 8 GB, then I'll simply change the size here, 8 GB. It should be the same availability zone, and create volume. So the volume is created. Alright, now come back to a EC2 instance, and here we need to first check if check if the new volume is there. The new volume is not there because we have not attached it to the instance. So come back to volumes. I can see the 8 GB volume here, which we just created, and the state shows available. So select this volume, go to actions, attach volume, attach it to your instance, and done. Once it is attached, come back to your EC2 instance, check once again if you see the 8 GB disk. Here you go. So I can see the new disk with size 8 GB. Now the important thing is, we need to first unmount the previous file system, which was this. Now I don't have this mounted, and now I'll mount the new volume, which is /dev. What was the name? Okay, it was XVDG, and mount it to ITBrains. Alright, mounted. Okay, so the volume is mounted with size 5 GB, but it should have 8 GB file system size. First let's see whether you got the data which was there in the earlier disk. Let's check. Oh yes, I got the file. So test file was created in the 5 GB volume, right? Yes, it was created on the 5 GB volume, but now I have mounted the volume of size 8 GB and the same data exists here. But the problem here is why df-h command is showing me 5 GB? Because you have not extended the file system. You have created a new volume without formatting it. You have mounted it, and now next is, because the earlier volume used to have file system only on the 5 GB disk, and the same file system is reflecting on your new volume. So you need to actually grow the file system, or I can say you have to resize the file system on this new volume. So there is a command called xfs_growfs, which will grow your file system. Here you go. And now if you see, the size of this XVDG has become 8 GB. So df-h shows you the size of the file system, not the size of the volume, right? So this way we have extended the size of your volume using snapshot. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We have learned how to create one EBS volume, how to how to create a snapshot, and how to create more volumes out of that snapshot. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.